Flexible and optimized solution is a modular design of our appliances. Hello everyone, welcome back to Product Insights. I'm Mike. Today I'm going to introduce you that one of our best solutions that we can offer here at Lanner Electronics is the modular kit designs, especially on 1U and up to systems. We have a name for this, it's called the F.A.S.T kit solutions. And the reason we call it F.A.S.T kit, because it actually is fast. It means that whenever you interchange for the modules for different applications, not only it offers the best scalability and performance, and also saves a lot of times whenever you want to interchange between solution and solution. As you can see in front of me here is a 2U appliance which is equipped with 8 NCS2 single individual slots. As for F.A.S.T solutions for LAN connectivity, on the very left hand side you can see there is a copper solution RJ45 along with PoE as an option. Next to it is a NIC module card with 10 GB fiber, and in the middle you can see it's a 2-port 25 GB fiber, and right next to it is a 40 GB fiber, and on the very right hand side is the ultimate 100 GB fiber. As for more options under the F.A.S.T solutions, Lanner do offer storage and RF connectivity options. On the left hand side you can see it's a double width NCS2 form factor which can incorporate up to 4 2.5 inch SSD. On the right hand side you can see it's a mini PCIe M.2 expansion card which can support Wi-Fi and LTE in a single NCS2 modular form. Thank you very much for all your time to watch this episode of Product Insight. I hope that this brief introduction on a modular design kit, which called the F.A.S.T kit, can give you a brief introduction on what Lanner's flexibility on the ODM and OEM design is. So remember, for more solutions regarding hardware or software or total package, remember always visit us at www.lanner.com or email at the address below. Until then, I'll see you next time.